nurture the gift of life.
Apisa matiyo sirikal kaunti ma Embu odokne Gavana Mbarire kaluwore gi seyo margi ni nochwalo milion 10 manowinjore ochwal godo dongruoge mopogore opogore e kauntino kendo siro godo riwruoge mag saga mag joriemb bodaboda. Jatend migawo mochune rowere e kauntino Jane Waroga wacho ni omenda go ne ok oti godo marach, wira ni ne ochwale mondo mi okony godo rowere e kauntino, komedo ni onge omenda mora mora mar kauntino manoti godo marach e tok chik. Kata kamano, dwaro makamano norwak ma gi ichwang' gi joriemb bodaboda e kauntino ka giwacho ni onge omenda mora mora kaka ilieko manochwalnegi kokalo e riwruogegi mag saga.
It is important to emphasize from the onset that the funds in question were lawfully accessed, properly applied, and fully accounted for, and that no public funds were lost, misappropriated, or diverted. The county government's actions were undertaken strictly in adherence with the provisions of PFM 2012, which allow temporary reallocation, internal reallocation of funds, subject to authorization, disbursement, and accountability. I've made a clarification of why we had to reallocate the 10 million to facilitate, and that was an empowerment like any other, because bodaboda is, as we say, it's a key sector. We've never had a summit of that kind in Kenya, and as we talk, they are running their circles, as they will be telling you, across the county.
Governor